Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Groke Imagine is not working. If you're using Groke Imagine and your Groke Imagine is not working, so let's see how can you fix that. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. So now to check that, simply scroll down your quick settings and here you'll get if you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular. You have to make sure that you have stable internet connection. Once you have, simply enable your airplane mode and here disable it. It will make a quick refresh to your network settings. Once your Wi-Fi has been connected, you have to open your Groke app and here you have to make sure that you are signed in with your account. If it doesn't, you have to sign in or you can skip this from here. And here you just have to ask anything and it will do. But if your Groke isn't working still, so let's see how can you fix that. You just have to open up your app store and here you have to make sure that you have the latest version of your Groke. So simply search for Groke app and here you have to make sure that you haven't any update available. But if there's any update, so you must have to update your application. Once you have updated, you can easily use your Groke app. But if your Groke app is still not working, so you must have to restart your phone. So now to restart, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, and your phone will be restarted. So once your phone has been restarted, you have to try to use your Groke. But if your Groke is still not working, so what you have to do in that case, you just have to reinstall your Groke app. So keep a long press on it, then tap on remove app, then tap on delete. Once you have tapped on delete app, the app will be successfully uninstalled or deleted from your phone, and then you have to reinstall it from your app store. So once you have reinstalled, your phone will fix all type of your issues and you can easily use your Groke Imagine app on your phone. So in this way you can easily fix if your Groke Imagine is not working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.